Hey friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. I hope you all are doing great. Today let me bring you to a recipe which is very simple to make. With just few minutes, with very few ingredients, you are gonna learn a recipe which is very basic but very delicious too. And this is gonna be a creamy butter garlic prawns. You must have tried butter garlic many times, but try this version of cream in it. And for those who are new to my channel, I welcome you all. I hope you all subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you do not miss any of my upcoming uploads. And ingredients will be given at the description box below, so do check it out from there. And now, without wasting any more time, let's start to make this quick recipe. And here I have taken a pan and taken around 40 to 50 grams of butter, and once it was melted and hot, I have added 1 tablespoon of very finely chopped garlic along with 1 green chili. Green chili is totally optional here, but I love that flavor of green chili also along with the garlic. And once it was nice light, very mild golden color, I have added the prawns. Here just make sure the prawns is drained well, or else you'll see the prawns would leave a lot of water, so we don't want that. We want the prawns to be fried well in the butter first. And now let's sprinkle some salt to this and half a teaspoon of pepper powder. You can also add around 1 teaspoon according to your choice, but if you have white pepper powder, so make sure to use that so that it doesn't change the color of the gravy. And here I'm using some spring onion greens to give that nice look in the color, also the nice flavor. Here I have added around 4 tablespoons or just a quarter cup of water, but you can also add milk to this recipe as it would be a perfect match with the cream. And here, as you can see, it's simmering, and we'll be now adding the cream to this. Here I have used around 100 grams of cream. You can add a little bit more or less according to your choice and the consistency of the gravy. Here it is not actually a gravy, it's somewhat the semi-gravy kind, as you can see in the picture. And you can see here we just have to cook this for just 4 to 5 minutes maximum, because prawns really takes a very minimal time to cook. And when we overcook it, you'll always end up with having a dried and overcooked prawns. We do not want that to happen, so you can just wait till you can see the butter on the sides. As you can see, that perfect creamy butter garlic prawns are ready on the plate now to be served. This is great with any kind of rice, or perfect with any spaghetti or pasta. Trust me to try this recipe, you will love it. And do let me know if you liked it or not. Do comment below. And coming to our extra points, you can always add more green chilies at the beginning if you want this recipe to be spicy. And you can always add more milk or water to make the consistency according to your choice, and it would give you more gravy. And do follow me on Instagram and share the pictures you have tried from my channel. I love to share it on my feed. Do not forget to tag me there on Salwa's Delicious Kitchen. And I really hope you all have subscribed the channel till now. If not, please do. And thank you so much for watching. Take care guys. Bye-bye.